All she care about is a following. Follow me. Shit, follow me. Go ahead and follow me. All we ever care about is a following. What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that.
Hi guys, Lens here. So I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, as you can see, and at times you can suffer the black screen or the frozen screen. I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this. The Tab E is a bit different than the other tablet. As you can see, the buttons are on the right hand side. As you can see, we have the power button here, and also we have the volume up and the volume down. So guys, if you are suffering a black screen and you are hearing sound coming from your tablet, or your tablet is not responding, I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this issue. The first method that I want you to try is to hold this button down. So hold the home button first, then we have the volume down. You hold that button, then you hold the power button, and keep holding all these buttons together. Then you will see this warning screen here. So when you see this warning screen here, you can see what it is telling us here. You want to press volume down, cancel, restart your phone or device or tab. So let's hit the volume down. This is a forced restart. So what this will do, this will clear up the unwanted memory that is being clogged up that caused this black screen. It's a forced restart to restart the device. And also you can see that the battery here is a bit low. So this is how you can force restart and eliminate the frozen screen and also the black screen issue. And this also can help with your device as well if it is not touching. So this can resolve the unresponsive screen. There is also another solution that you can do if the problem continues, or if the first method did not work. Instead of pressing the volume down, you can press the volume up. So it will be home. So you press the home button first, then you press the volume up, then you press the power button. Hold these buttons together. As you can see that we have the screen showing up there, and if you look closely, we are in download mode. So if your device is giving you this issue often, you can perform a wipe data factory reset. By selecting this option, you will lose all the data that is on your device, and you can only do this if you are experiencing this problem continually. Do a reset to eliminate this issue. Or if you do not want to reset your device, you can just reboot your device. It will reboot and it will come on normally without you losing any data. So just reboot the device, and as you can see, the screen is on. So once your screen is on, it should be working. So this is how you can force restart your device and come out of that black mode or black screen of death, as I should say. So guys, this is how you can fix those issues with your Samsung Galaxy Tab E. My name is Lens. Hope that this was helpful. If you're new here, subscribe and also like and share and all of that good stuff. I'm out.